Hi, my name is Kendall.
Welcome
To my channel.
Kendall's Adventures in Hearing. I'm Erin. I'm Mom. I'm behind the camera today because Kendall's going to talk to her friends about some toys that we used to play with when she was very small. These are great for fine motor, sensory, tactile. They're just great. And Kendall, do you want to show them what those toys are? What are they?
This one is a pizza, and I'm going to cut it.
And then what is the basket full of, really quick?
The basket is for the strawberries, the vegetables, and fruit.
Fruits and vegetables. And you have a play knife, and what else do you have? A cutting
knife.
A cutting knife, and what's that little yellow thing?
It's a cutting board.
A little cutting board. Okay, so she's just going to demonstrate what we would do when she was younger to work those skills in.
Mommy, I need...
You need some help? Okay, why don't you cut up a fruit or a vegetable, and I will work on the pizza.
I make some fruits for you.
Okay, what about a fruit salad?
Okay.
Okay. So while she's cutting...
Here, go, baby.
Thank you for your baby.
Strawberry. My baby's eating lunch.
Your baby is eating lunch. Who is your baby?
My baby is Piggy.
Is this your baby?
She's cute.
She's eating watermelon. While Kendall is cutting, we are modeling what it would be like, well, what a parent could do when the child is using these toys. So asking a lot of questions. Kendall, which one are you cutting?
I'm cutting banana.
You're cutting the banana. Why are you cutting the banana?
Because
I am cutting the banana.
I'm cutting the banana
Because?
because the banana is yellow.
Okay. You're trying to extend their language
It doesn't make any sense.
and their sentences. It's okay if it doesn't make perfect sense. What matters is they're trying and they're using their language skills
Corn.
and fine motor.
Corn.
Pineapple.
It looks like corn on the bottom.
It does.
Corn pineapple.
So you can get these toys just about anywhere. I think we purchased these through Amazon for her birthday a few years ago. And I will include those links in the description box below. That pizza looks really yummy. Kendall, did you have anything else you want to add? Kendall?
No.
No? Can you say goodbye and thanks for watching?
Wait. I didn't make a pizza.
Oh, we're still going to have the pizza? Oh, look at this pizza. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
We get the toppings back.
Kendall, tell our friends, say subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye.